What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Litecoin. I wanted to do a quick video on that since we've been very bullish on the short term. Apart from that, we also took a trade in the Signal group. If you want to join that and if you want to receive trades like a buy order at this level right here, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Therefore I wanted to do a quick update on that. See what's going on, see what's possible. Apart from that, it's also interesting, of course, that the Litecoin halving is coming up, which historically we in the Signal chat room we actually talked about that, and historically Litecoin actually rallied quite a bit from, like, here you can see, like, here was the second halving, and before that we rallied quite a bit in the months before. Now I must say that the markets before that also was quite strong, but okay. And before the first halving, we also rallied quite a bit. So therefore, it's also interesting right now to kind of take a look at Litecoin. So overall, if we dive into it, Litecoin right now is one of the only bullish cryptos in the market. Volume is quite strong as well. If you take a look at the volume over the last 7 days, we're at around the levels we were at last week, but most cryptos are actually quite far down the levels of last week. So it actually is quite strong. And right now it's also significantly going up. It's around 650 actually right now. So quite a lot of opportunities. Also with the last candle close on the 4-hour time frame, we broke above this major key level right here. So we're nearing this minor key level up here, right here, between, well, let's say $39. I do think we'll find some resistance there. I think it's too good to be true to not expect resistance there. So at this point of time, what I think is that we'll get up there, and that from there we'll drop down to this level again at around $91. And I think we can actually hold that level. I think we'll stay in this little consolidation between, let's say, 91, 90.75, and then at the top 93.5. And I do think at this point of time, and that could also happen right now, we could also break above 93.5. Did I say 39? I meant 93. We can also break above 93.5 right now, get up to $95, and then try to get towards 96.5 and perhaps even $98, which are the next resistance levels. Because I actually, on the short term, I do expect, which might be a weird thing to say, but I do expect some bullish momentum from Bitcoin. And right now we're getting a lot of strength with Litecoin, but what we have seen overall in the last, well, let's say 24 hours at least, is that Litecoin still is very much correlated with Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin on the short term, and this isn't Litecoin analysis, but this, believe me, this is valuable. I think on the short term, Bitcoin can actually get that bullish breakout above 26,900 and at least get up to 27,300. That could be enough bullish momentum for Litecoin to actually break above our major resistance at 93.5, because this is essentially what we want to do, right? We want to break above that, hit this resistance level at 95, take a break retest and get up to 97 and all the way up to like 98.5. So that's possible. At this point in time, I think this is the most likely scenario, but like I said, I think it's more likely that we'll kind of consolidate between 93.5 and 91 at first. Now, if we're talking about the halving and how high we can go, I think that's largely dependent on what Bitcoin does, unfortunately. But I think if we can get bullish momentum from Bitcoin as well, I think we not only could get towards 102, I think we could go as high as like 115. I genuinely think that's possible. It's going to be very hard. And like I said, we would need to see Bitcoin above, like, let's say above 29,000 as well. So whether that's realistic or not, it's something I'm thinking about still too. But overall, the potential is actually very high with Litecoin at this point of time, I think. And we have already shown quite a lot of bullish momentum as well. So that's my take on Litecoin for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.